Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine. Today we are going to discuss novel, and our concerned chapter is chapter number 20. Chapter number 20, and the name is The Train is Attacked by Sook's Band. Sook is an American native band. In this chapter, we will discuss these key points which are given below. First of all, the train had covered 1,382 miles in 3 days and 3 nights. Then, 4 days and 4 nights would take Phileas Fogg to New York. Mr. Fogg and his partners had been playing for a long time. They were playing whist. You have read in previous chapter that Mr. Fogg and his partners were playing whist, and they were playing continuously during their journey. The next morning, Fogg, having plotted a bold stroke, was about to play a spade when a voice came from behind. "I would play a diamond." And whose voice was this? He was Colonel Stamp Proctor. He was asking for playing a diamond to Mr. Fogg. Mr. Fogg left the car and Colonel Proctor followed him to platform. Here the meaning of car is stand for cabin. The cabin of train. Here the meaning of car is the cabin of train. Mr. Fogg left the car and Colonel Proctor followed him to the platform. "Sir, I am in great hurry to get back to Europe, and any delay will be greatly to my disadvantages," said Phileas Fogg. Why he was saying these words to Colonel Proctor? Because you have to understand that Mr. Phileas Fogg was there to run his business, and now after packing up his business, or after after completing his business, he have to go back to Europe for or to run his business there. "Well, it is not my problem," said Colonel Proctor. Colonel Proctor asked, "Do you know Plum Creek?" Now he is asking from Mr. Fogg about the Plum Creek, and now we will comprehend, or now we will learn that what is Plum Creek. "No," replied Phileas Fogg. Phileas Fogg replied, "No, sir, I don't know what is Plum Creek. It is next station." And you have to understand there now. What is Plum Creek? The Plum Creek is the next station name. The train will stop there for 10 minutes. That will give us ample time for several revolver shoots to be exchanged. Colonel Proctor, said Colonel Proctor. What he was saying? He was telling about the next station name, which was the Plum Creek name, and the train will stop there for 10 minutes and we will exchange our revolver shoots, or we will shoot our revolvers. At 11 o'clock, the train approached Plum Creek. But just as the opponents were about to step out from the train, step out mean moving outward from the train, the conductor shouted, "You can't get down the gentleman." "But I had planned to fight a duel with this gentleman." "Duel mean fight with this gentleman," said Colonel Proctor. Colonel Proctor were arguing with conductor to get down there and to fight a duel between both them. Then conductor carried them in the last car or in the last cabin so that they fight as we go along. He said that you can fight along the way or in the cabin. The whistle was about to blow when suddenly savage cries began to be heard, accompanied by the gunshots. What were they savages, or what were they gunshots? The gunshots were from the side of Sook's band. Colonel Proctor and Mr. Fogg rushed with revolvers in their hands into the train, or we can say as they entered back into the trains with their revolvers. A Sook's band has attacked on the train. 100 of them jumped on the steps. Now the attack was begun from the Sook's band. A swift speed became the cause of train to move at a frightful speed by the mistake. They started looting and killing the passengers. Here you have to understand the purpose of the attack by the Sioux band on train. So the purpose or the reason was because they were looting and killing the passengers. So therefore they attacked on the train. Conductor got a shoot and cried, "Unless the train is stopped in 5 minutes, we will lose." Conductor, what he said? He said, if the train is not stopped in 5 minutes, we will lose because the speed of the train is very frightful or very high. Passepartout ran forward to unscrew the yoking bar between the engine and the rest of train. And what is yoking bar? Yoking bar is a chain which join the engine and rest of the train. Unscrew mean to Unscrew mean to disjoin the chain between engine and rest of the train. The train slowly began to lose speed and stopped less than 100 feet from Fort Canry station. The soldiers of Fort hurried to attack the Sioux. Now here are some questions of exercise and you will learn question number 3 from your exercise. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? Write true or false in the brackets at the end of each statement. Mr. Fogg and his partners had been working for a long time. No, this statement is false because they were not working but they were playing for a long time. Colonel Proctor and Phileas Fogg did not recognize each other at once. This statement is also false or wrong because they recognized each other in even a single glimpse to each other. Sir, I am in great hurry to get back to Europe, and any delay will be greatly to my disadvantage, said Phileas Fogg. Yes, this statement was said by Mr. Phileas Fogg. Then with another whistle, the train decreased its speed and moved so slowly that a prolonged screech came from the locomotive. So this statement is also true. This was done in the Red River or Red Station when the train was stopped. This will were the these were your exercise questions, and you have I hope you will understand them, you will learn them, and you will solve this exercise on your novel book. Take care, see you next time.